So good day guys, and in this video I'll be showing you how to gain 1,000 Facebook page followers daily with Facebook adverts using just your phone to run the adverts. So either you're using an Android phone or you are using an iOS device, you can always use this process, right? So the first thing you want to do is, let me show you the application that I've been using for this task, right? So the application is Meta Ads Manager. Meta Ads Manager. So you can go to your Google Play Store and get it up and get it installed. So I'm going to open it now. Meta Ads Manager. So if you are installing this application for the first time, you are going to need your Facebook login to have access into this application. Then you are good to go. So but before I proceed guys, I'm going to show you a advert that I've done in the past, because we want Facebook page followers. We want to increase our followers based on Facebook, so we need to set up an engagement advert on Facebook, right? We are going to set up an engagement advert on Facebook. So have a look at this guys. This is such advert that I've run in the past, an engagement advert. So under the advert, I was able to have 86 page likes, right? So this advert page likes, the more people, all the people that likes my page will automatically become my followers, right? So liking my page also turn them towards my followers. So that is how it works guys. So and you can see guys, this is just 10 naira, like 10 naira per page likes. I spent 10 naira per page likes. That is, for each person that liked this page, they paid I paid 10 naira I paid 10 naira to Facebook for it, right? So later on in this video, I'm going to show you how to cut down on your costs, per page likes, right? So ensure you stick with me in this video, because very soon I'm going to show you how to cut down on your cost per page likes, right, while using Facebook adverts to increase or to boost your followers base, right? So and without further ado, let's move on. We want to create this kind of advert from the scratch. So we want to create from the scratch. We are going to tap on this green button right here, this green plus. Then we have so many things right here, and I'm only concerned about this engagement, right? I'm only concerned about engagement, so I'm going to tap on that. We want to run an engagement ads. I'm not going to select this get posts quick create. I'm going to go for manual engagement campaign. So because we want to set this up from the start ourselves, we want to go for manual engagement campaign. So I'm going to name this campaign. So ads 001. So that is the name of the campaign. Then I'm going to leave this special ads category just the way it is. I'm not going to touch it. And to my ads budget, that is how much do I want to spend in a day, right? How much do I want to spend in a day? So I'm just going to leave that as 1,000 naira, and with time I might have to increase the budget, so with respect to the performance of my ads. And don't forget, I told you guys that I'm going to show you how to cut down on your costs, right, while running this kind of engagement adverts, page likes, right? While running page likes ads, right? We want people to follow us, so, and we want people to like our page. So moving on guys, I'm also going to, okay, before I select the location, let me quickly name this also. Let me name this ads 001 also, ads 001. So I'm going back, and the conversion means where the action is going to take place, right? Where the action is going to take place, that is the location. So the event that we are optimizing for, that you want to happen, is like page like. We want people to like our page so we can have more followers. That is what we want to do. So the events is like page, and the location where it is going to happen, where it's going to take place. So we can optimize for messenger, for website, but for this purpose we are going to select our Facebook page, right? Because we want them to like our page, so to follow us. So we're going to select Facebook page. Then we also look for the exact page. You might have created many pages in the past, so you want to select that exact page you want people to like, right? So moving on, guys, then the next thing we want to set up is our schedule. When do you want the ad to start running? When? What is the exact time you want it to start running? Then you want to settle that here also. And let's talk about the audience, right? The audience, the targeting, right? So if you so I'm going to select edit right here, edit. So under the edits, I'm going to change this right here. I'm going to delete Nigeria, and I will search for the state I want people to like my page from in Nigeria. So the location where I want people to like my page from, so I want to select the location, which is I want Lagos. People living in Lagos, I want them to like my page. Let me also select Abuja. People living in Abuja should also like my page. Let me just work with these two states. I'm going to continue. And the next thing, so here, guys, this is the arc I wanted to show you guys. The arc I talked about in the beginning of this video. I told you guys I'm going to show you how to cut down on cost, on the cost per page like, right? So this here is the arc. So what you are going to do now to ensure that you don't spend more while doing this kind of advert, post engagement advert, you ensure that you use broad targeting, right? Use broad targeting. Don't use detailed targeting. I understand possibly you want to later advertise to those people on your page. Maybe you want to start advertising to them on your page, but trust me, even if you try to advertise to them on your page will have less reach. Do you get what I'm saying? Your page will have less reach, so you don't want to um you don't want to you don't want to do detailed targeting or narrow targeting when you are on this kind of adverts. Just use broad targeting. What you want is more people to like your page, right? More people to follow you. So that is just what you are going to optimize for. So just use broad targeting, right? So when you use broad targeting, Facebook is going to see your ads as simple. So it is not complex, and the way Facebook advert work is auctioning, right? The higher you target and you narrow your targeting, the complex it becomes for Facebook algorithm to locate those people that are interested in whatever you are optimizing for, whatever you are targeting for. But when you don't target much, right? When you don't target much, when you don't narrow your targeting much, then it makes it easy for Facebook to look for people that are going to perform your tasks for you, right? Then your cost per page like will be very cheap, right? It will be very cheap. So, and here the action we want them to take, the event is just page like, so you don't have any problem. So I haven't selected that. So for the data targeting, I'm just going to go broad, right? I'm going to go broad. I'm going to select marketing. I want those people to be interested in marketing, right? So I want them to be interested in marketing. Then I'm just going to select it. Marketing. Okay, yeah, marketing. So interest, marketing. So I'm going to tap on that. You can see, guys, it shows 712 million people. So that is very broad. So that is what I want. When you select broad targeting, your cost per click, per page like will be very cheap, right? Unlike when you are narrowing down your targeting or you are detailing your targeting. So that is how engagement ads work. And for the age also, I don't want to over stress anything here. I'm just going to go to for 18 to 45 age. The gender, I will leave it that way, and the language, I'll leave it that way. So that is all I need to set here. Then I'll just go back. Then the next thing is placement. Placement means where you want your advert to show, right? Do you want it to show on Instagram? Do you want it to show on desktop? Do you want it to show on other meta ads platform? So this is where you want to check that. And I'm going to uncheck desktop. Why? Because most people that use Facebook don't use desktop with it. Most people use mobile. So for this Instagram, I'm going to uncheck it also. Audience network uncheck, messenger uncheck. So I'm going to go for only Facebook, right? So done that now. Then I'm going to uncheck marketplace, video feeds, Facebook reels, Facebook stories, in-stream videos. So I'm only going to work with this right here, Facebook news feed. I'm going to work with only Facebook news feed. So that is all. And for that, for the placements, then I'm going to go back now to the next thing is ads. So to the ads. So I'm going to name this also ads 001. Ads 001. Then that is okay. Moving back. Then I want to select the creative. The creative means the picture, the write-up you're going to be using under this advert, right? So for this, like I said, you want your ads to be very simple, not too complex, so everybody can understand it at a glance, so they can perform that action you want them to take, which is what, like your page, so they can become your followers. So for me, as you can see, I'm just using just one single picture. So it is advisable to use picture also. Don't use video, right? I repeat, don't use video. Just use a picture, a clean picture that is straight to the point, right? That talks about your brand, your goods or services. And if anybody's interested, they can easily go for it and like your page, and they can move on if they don't want. So for this, I'll just put an headline, like our page, improve your marketing. So that is it. And for the primary text, I'm going to say, we teach you and that is that. And for the call to action, this is what's going to write here. As you can see, no button. So we are not trying to optimize for sign up or for apply now or for get any offer or to shop now or to learn more. No. So we don't want any button. Facebook is going to show that thumbs up icon right in that position. So let's preview this advert, and so you can see how it looks like. This is how it's going to look like. You can see we teach you ideas on how to improve. So that is just like our page, improve your marketing. So that is how, straight to the point, nothing complex in that. So I'm just going to go back. So then I'll click review. Then if I'm done with this, I'm just going to publish it right here. Publish ads. I can check everything and I'll publish the ads. So if this video has been useful to you, why don't you like it right now? Liking a video is very free. You're not going to be paying anything. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are joining us for the first time, subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon. And why don't you check the video that is popping up right now? This video is going to show you how to boost Facebook page post, right? How to boost a Facebook page post. The video is popping up right now, so